Hi everybody, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna, and today I'm talking about cracking your own back. Is it safe to crack your own back or someone else's back? So I'm just going to switch slides here so you can see my image. And I was recently reading this article from the Cleveland Clinic. Is it safe to crack your back? And then it talks about stretches for your back. So the short answer is no, it's not safe to crack your own back. And the reason is if you crack your own back, you're just not sure what's going to happen. And what I mean by that is there are a number of vertebrae and joints in the body. Let's focus on the spine today. Quite often what I'll see is patients coming into the clinic saying that they twisted their neck like this to crack their neck. Or they twisted their spine and pulled their leg over to the other way to crack their back, forcing the bones to crack. Now, when the bones crack, they release an endorphin and enkephalins. They're chemicals that numb the nerves. So for about 20 minutes, you're going to get a natural painkiller release, but then it's going to wear off and you're going to have to do it again. Without knowing the alignment of the bones and the way the bones lay on top of each other, you don't know the plane of or the direction of the adjustment. So without training like a chiropractor has, you're not going to know which way to adjust that segment. You don't know if the segment needs an adjustment. So you're not trained on where the bone is at a place, what's causing the bone to be out of place. Is there another underlying condition like a fractured vertebrae or fractured rib or something like a disc issue? So you could make the problem a lot worse by cracking your own back, your neck, or any joint in the body, or having someone else do it for you. Now, it's good to have a chiropractor, somebody who's trained, do the adjustments for you, because when they do the adjustments, they're going to help to realign the segments in the spine. It's going to help the nerve flow get through and out between the bones to various parts of the body. It's going to relieve pain and symptoms, and it's going to allow the body to work properly. The muscles are going to work better, the ligaments, the discs, when you have the proper alignment. But a chiropractor is trained at doing the adjustments. And in fact, when I was in chiropractic college, it took a long time to get comfortable with doing adjustments. So it took me a couple years before I could get the hang of doing adjustments in college, understanding which direction to do the adjustments, being comfortable with the amount of force. All of those things are really important. And now after 30 years of practice, for me, doing adjustments is easy, but I'm always cautious with the type of adjustments I'm doing, especially when it's with a new client or somebody that's newer to the clinic. Just want to proceed caution. Always think about what the diagnosis or the differential diagnosis, and that comes with a lot of experience. So the shred is, no, don't crack your back, don't crack your back, don't crack your knuckles, because you're just not sure what you're doing. And if you have pain or discomfort and your joints aren't working right, definitely go see a chiropractor that can help you with your condition. If you're in Kelowna, I'd be happy to help you. We're accepting new patients. If you're not in Kelowna, you can always comment or DM me, and I'd be happy to refer you to a chiropractor in your area that can help you with your specific condition.